Hi, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory topics impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Number 1, ISSA releases a statement on the bipartisan infrastructure bill passed by the Senate. The U.S. Senate passed the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act on August 21st. The bipartisan 69-30 vote on the bill represented a breakthrough that has eluded lawmakers and presidents for years, despite both political parties identifying infrastructure as a priority. It focuses on investments in roads, railways, bridges, airports, and broadband internet, and calls for $550 billion in new spending over 5 years. This legislation will provide much needed investment in transportation and thus ensure supply chain resiliency for the cleaning industry. Earlier this week, the House also agreed to vote on the package by the end of September, while they also worked to craft and debate a $3.5 trillion budget reconciliation package. ISSA continues to work with Senate and House members to help shape both of these packages moving forward. Topic 2, essential workers will be eligible for COVID-19 booster shots this fall. Frontline workers who are among the first Americans to receive the COVID-19 vaccination will be eligible for booster shots as early as September 20th, pending FDA and CDC sign-off. ISSA has been urging policymakers to prioritize the cleaning industry for vaccines access since the rollout earlier this year. The third topic, ISSA announces 2 new Government Affairs Advisory Committee members. We're pleased to announce the 2 new members, Brian Bowley of S.E. Johnson and Keith Schneringer of Waxy Sanitary Supply. The Government Affairs Advisory Committee is an important part of ISSA's continued investment and expansion of its advocacy efforts. This was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know right now for the week of August 23rd. If you want to receive ISSA's legislative and regulatory updates, by email, please go to issa.com/takeaction and sign up to become an advocate for clean today.